Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and here we have a very cool Union padlock, the 3270. It says made in England and patent applied for. All brass with a very cool stippled effect here and at the back. Now, what's cool about this is it's actually a wafer lock. I think it's the only Union wafer lock I've actually seen. I'm sure there might have been more of them. And you see down there that the shackle is just held in by these two little wires, which is kind of cool. It's a quite a nice looking lock, actually, I have to say. But how do we attack wafer locks? Well, a couple of ways. We can rake them. So I've got a rake here, and I just need to find a tension tool which we can pop at the top of the lock like this. So this is one way which to attack wafer locks, and it can work quite well. Quite light tension on this one. The wafers are, would you believe, serrated, and takes a little bit extra skill to get an open, but that's raking them. And another way to do it is with some jigglers, and here we have some jigglers here. Which one to use? Well, I've had some success with this one, so make sure it's all locked up. Make sure that it's all working with the key and everything. This way up, haha. Like that, there we go. Lock it all back up. And then what we do is we can put a jiggler in and try to literally, without sliding out, jiggle this lock open using the jiggler keys. Easy said and done. Oh, there we go, got the open. There we go. So we have we've raked it open, we jiggled it open. How do these jigglers work? Well, I did already go through all of these off camera, but what you can do is you can sort of see here how that profile there might just act like the key with a bit of jiggling and oscillating and hit the correct bitting. It appears to have possibly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wafers in this little lock. It's kind of cool. But yeah, overall, really love this little lock. It's very cool. Nice to see a wafer padlock with serrations in. Yeah, nice little thing. I hope you enjoyed it too. If you do, leave a like. If you've got comments about this lock, leave a comment below. I read them all and reply to them, as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing. It really helps me out. And of course, I'll see you all next time.